I know, I'm a mess, but I'm out here working to do some remodeling of a little place that we have here, and it got me thinking about websites and whether they should be remodeled or refurbished or rebuilt. Which way should you go, and how important is it? Well, 57% of people say that they would not recommend a business with a poorly designed website. So that in and of itself is reason to take a look to see if your website does need some refreshing, if it's outdated or perhaps it's difficult to navigate and people have a hard time trying to find what it is that they are looking for. In an indirect way, that can have an effect on your SEO. As people spend less time on your website, it will be reflected in the analytics that Google pulls on your site. So the longer somebody stays on your site, the better. Better for your Google Analytics, better for your SEO, better for your customers and clients, which after all, those are the people that you are in business to serve. So I hope you found this helpful as to, that there is an option. You can either refresh something, have it re-optimized, or should it be just torn down and rebuilt? That is an excellent question to ask before you move forward with making any drastic changes to your website. So I hope you found this information useful or beneficial. If so, please like it, share it, and if you have any comments or any other questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. Oh, I am Richard Blount. I am the founder and CEO of Four Winds Agency. We love working with businesses that are excited about the business that they're in, and we like to see them succeed and grow. So until next time, y'all take care. Bye.